What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about what the Bible says about guns. But first, we're going to go shoot in the range. Stay tuned. Are guns bad? No. But in the hands of someone that doesn't know how to use one, it can be. So, go to your local gun range. Learn how to shoot. Learn the basics of shooting. So, the Bible really doesn't say a lot about guns, but it does about swords. It says to arm yourself with swords. Let's look into that a little bit.
Luke 22:36 says, "And let the one who has no sword sell his cloak to buy one." Guns in this day are like swords in the Bible. They were used for defense. They were used as a tool. They were used as a weapon of war. So I have one question for you. Does Luke 22:36 justify gun ownership? As we explore Luke 22:36 more in depth, there is a historical context to this. At the time of Jesus' statement, the Roman Empire ruled over Judea, and tensions were high. Jesus mentioned buying a sword can be seen as advice for the disciples to prepare themselves for hardships and potential violence they might face. We can also see this in a symbolic impression too. Some scholars argue that Jesus' statement was symbolic rather than literal. They suggest that the sword can represent readiness or challenges of the impending mission rather than a physical violence. I myself would take this more into consideration to be a literal thing that Jesus told them. If you do not have a sword, if you do not have something to defend yourself, get one, because enemies are going to try to attack you. You are going to have places in battle that you're going to need to defend yourself with a sword. That's how I take it anyway. There's other instances in the Bible that people had to use swords for self-defense. I think of Nehemiah 4:13 and 14. Nehemiah organizes the people of Jerusalem to protect themselves while building the city's walls. He actually had a sword in one hand and a trowel in the other. He instructs them to carry weapons as a form of protection for preparation against the potential threats. The way I see it, you can find me and my family on the range shooting. But again, are guns bad? No. But in the hands of someone that doesn't know how to use one, it can be. So, go to your local gun range. Learn how to shoot. Learn the basics of shooting. Until next time.